Hello students, welcome in ninth Maths Part 2 class. Today we are going to study a new chapter that is parallel lines. Before this standard, you have studied this parallel lines, but this year also we are studying this and using their pairs of angles. These two lines are parallel. The line which are complainer and do not intersect each other uh, is called parallel lines. See here, hold a stick across the horizontal parallel bar of window as shown in the figure. These are bars and this is a stick. It is across here, here and here there are formed some angles. How many angles formed in this picture? We'll see in next figure. You see that this line L and M are intersected by N transversal, and here four angles are formed, here four angles are formed. So that here total 8 angles are formed. These are different pairs of angles are formed. First pairs we are going to study corresponding angles. See here, this D and angle D and angle H is one of the corresponding angle pair. Like that, other pairs are also there. That is A angle and E angle are corresponding angles. This is another pair, and third pair is that for one sided of this transversal, that is angle C and angle G are equal measure, like that only. For another side of transversal, this angle B and angle F are a corresponding angle, so that we will feel this. Then next pair here we can see pair of alternate angle, interior and alternate angle. These are angle C and angle E are interior alternate angle, and this angle B and H are also alternate interior angles. Here two pairs are given here, and other pair is that pair of alternate exterior outside of this. This angle D and angle F are alternate exterior angles, and another A and G are alternate exterior angles. Here two pairs are given. Another pair here we can see that pairs of interior angle on the same sides of the transversal. These B and E, angle B and angle E are interior angles, and angle C and H is also another interior angle pair. These two pairs are interior angle pair. This angle B and angle B E, and another angle C and angle H. Next, we are going to study some properties we are seen, and we are going to use these are when two lines intersect, the pair of opposite angles formed are congruent, and the next property is the angle in linear pairs are supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degrees. And next property is that when one pair of corresponding angle is congruent, then all remaining pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. And fourth property is that when one pair of alternate angle is congruent, then all remaining pairs of alternate angles are congruent. And fifth property is that when one pair of interior angle on one side of the transversal is supplementary, then the other pair of interior angles is also supplementary. We are going to see this in the next theorem, but here some activities you have to do like this. You have to draw two lines and one transversal, or you take sticks and do like this activity. 1 and 2 angle measurement you have to do. You take different colors of papers and measure the angle of this. You will get this is a 180 degrees, and this is complementary angle. You will keep one paper here of this size and then remove that and keep here, that will be get equal. And if this alternate angle also like that, you have to do activity. Then interior angle theorem we are going to study. What is this? If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal in an interior angle, the interior angles of either sides of the transverse are supplementary. Then which are the interior angles? This angle A and B, angle D and C. So that what is given here, line L parallel line M, and N is a transversal, so that angle B and A are interior formed by one side, and D and E angles are formed by another interior angles with this transversal. Then what we have to prove? Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180, means supplementary, and angle D and plus angle C is equal to 180, means this is also supplementary. Then three possibilities we are arising regarding this sum of the measures of angle A and B. One possibility is that angle A plus angle B is less than 180, and second possibility is that angle A plus angle B is more than 180, and third possibility is angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Then we will test the first possibility, that angle A plus angle B is less than 180. We can consider it is a true. But the according to Euclid's possibility, if a line L and line M are produced, will be intersect each other on the side of the transversal where angle A and B are formed. So that here, if we take that, what is given here, this is line make a pair of angles. So we have to see here that line L and line M are parallel lines. Then angle A plus angle B is less than 180. It is not possible. So next possibility we are going to study, and this possibility is that angle A plus angle B is greater than 180. We can consider it is a true. But therefore, we are going to see here angle A plus angle B is greater than 180, but angle A plus angle D, A and B are greater than A and B, this greater than 180. But we know that angle A plus angle D, it will form 180 linear pair. So that here another C and B also one linear pair. Then we will take this one, A plus angle D plus angle B plus C is equal to 180 plus 180, it will become 360 degrees. Therefore, we will see that angle C plus angle D is equal to 160 minus this angle A plus B. Then if the A plus B is greater than 180, then 360 minus angle A plus B will be less than 80. So therefore, angle C plus D is less than 80. This possibility is also not true. Therefore, this third possibility is that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 is a true from 1 and 2. So therefore, angle A plus B is equal to 180. Similarly, angle C plus D also 180. So that this first possibility and second possibility is not true. It is therefore this proof is explained in indirect proof. Then next we are going to see the theorem corresponding angles and alternate angle theorem. In this theorem, the corresponding angles formed by the transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measure. This angle, corresponding angle A and B, are equal measure. What is given? Line L parallel line M and N is a transversal. What we have to prove? Angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle, angle A is equal to angle B. Means the A's measure and B's measure will be equal. So that we are proving that angle A plus angle C. Angle A plus angle C, it will be a linear pair, so that it is a 180. It is equation 1. And then angle C plus angle B, B plus C, it will be 180 because property of interior angle of parallel lines. So that we are taking left side here 1 and 2. This A plus C, angle A plus angle C and angle B plus angle C is from 1 and 2. This C gets cancelled from this, so that angle A's measure is equal to angle B's measure. Then second theorem is that the alternate angle formed by the transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measure. This line L parallel line M and N is a transversal. And what we have to prove? That is angle D's measure is equal to angle B's measure. So that we are taking one here, angle D plus angle C. This is a linear pair. Here it is taken equation 1, and then angle C plus angle B, it is also 180 because interior angle property. Then next we are taking this left side's addition. So we are taking 1 and 2 here. That angle angle D plus angle C is equal to measure of angle C plus angle B from 1 and 2. C and C gets cancelled, remains D, angle D and angle B. So that angle D's measure is equal to angle B. Thank you. Do study in home and write it in a notebook. Thank you.